Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more gorgeous hairstyle ideas. So if you have been on the hunt for the perfect hairstyle, I am here to help you out. Today's video is full of trendy and inspiring hairstyle ideas you'll most definitely want to try. So if you do happen to feel inspired by any of the looks featured within today's video, don't forget to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So today's video is all about Pixie hairstyles, whether you've been thinking of cutting your own hair or if you're just looking for some new Pixie haircut ideas. We kick things off with this super cute red variation. I love the color. Next up, we see someone with a bright blonde variation. Now this particular pixie has the face framing layers. Gorgeous bright blonde color, almost platinum. And it looks like it also features some asymmetrical bangs going there in the front. I love the overall edginess of this cut. Super cute. And I love the fact that we get a nice 360 view of this cut overall to really show us every angle. So here we have someone styling their pixie. Looks like she is using gel and slicking the hair back. So this would be another way that you can rock out your pixie if you wanted to switch things up. And then we move into a bob. So this video is primarily pixies, but there are a few bobs mixed in here as well. This bob is definitely more on the traditional side. It does feature the blunt ends going there. Some bangs to frame out the shape. Oh, I really like the body that the stylist is creating through the blowout. This is really cute. Features quite a bit of layers. I like the way that the color looks too. Very modern and fresh. Next up, we have a pixie bob haircut. So the stylist is kind of cleaning it up, doing a nice cut refresh here. Going shorter. I love her makeup. And she gets a nice, cute pixie haircut. This is very 90s. It does feature some body to it as well. And then we move on to the last haircut of today. She's got the ash blonde, almost platinum hair color here. And I would definitely say this is more of a pixie bob variation. Hopefully we get a 360 view of the cut. I love the color, so pretty. And the bangs in the front. I think the layers are just giving it that nice lift at the crown of the hair. Great way to add some value. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all these haircut ideas that were featured within today's video. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.